Hi guys, this is Daniel Reyna, and I'm going to be talking about my final website for my technology course. So what I'm going to be doing also is just kind of going through some of the tabs and some of the different pages on my website, and kind of talk about those individually. So if you go straight to my website, the first thing that you're going to see is you're going to see the professional statement that talks about some of my skills, some of the things that I believe in, and I wanted to keep the layout of my website just real simple just because I like just simplicity and I don't like it to be overwhelmed with a bunch of colors and a bunch of different content and stuff like that. So I wanted to look, kind of professional, so I can use for like, when I'm applying for jobs and things like that. So uh, I like the layout of it. I like using Wix because it's real simple to use. It gives you a bunch of different options to choose from as far as like templates and different images and stuff. So I was real happy with Wix and the friendly user interface it had. So if we go to, so the home page is here. So if we go to About Me, I'll click on that, and it'll take you to just a brief introduction to myself, where I've graduated from, what degree I'm pursuing, some of my job experiences as far as like where I started teaching and things like that. So currently I'm still an art teacher. So I think that's pretty current here on the description of myself. So again, and then here I just kind of put some of the stuff that's related to art, to the art classroom. So on the next tab, you can either click on this tab and it'll take you to each individual unit, or you can choose them, or you can choose them straight from this drop-down menu. So again, I like some of these options that Wix gives you. So we can just go like to Unit 1, for example, and it'll take you to the different deliverables that we had put here within our website. So if you click on any of these, it'll take you direct to any of the links. So I'll say, for instance, we'll go to the team videos, um, the first video that we did. So I'll just kind of pause this so you can see it. Well, computer's kind of slow, so that goes to that. So we can close that out. And I like that it gives you whenever you add a hyperlink, it gives you the option to add, to open up a new page rather than having to hit the back button and stuff like that. So any one of these that you'll click, it'll take you straight to my assignment I turned in. So that's for all of these units, right? So we did like 6 units. Um, the resume part, I think was pretty cool because um, instead of just putting my resume here as far as like all the information, what I did is I just created this little tab where you can just click on that, and it'll take you to a PDF document with my resume. So that's my resume there. Um, so again, just real basic. And then also on my resume, I created these links where you click that, it'll take you, you can shoot me an email, it'll take you to my Twitter account here, gives you the phone number there. And then also if you click on that, it'll take you to this website that I created within Wix. So really neat feature here. I like how simple it is, and there's my references and stuff like that. So I'll close that out. Again, on a new, it allows you to open up a new tab. So I like that. So we'll close that out. Go back here. Um, so, and then the cool part I liked about this course was, the whole blogging experiences, and then I like the whole layout of the blogs here. So this is the last one we did, a search engine. So um, if you go down, you scroll down, it's going to take you to all the different blogs that we've created within this course. Also down here it has some contact information, my phone number for the school. Also, there's a link to my Instagram page, to my Twitter account, and to my Facebook account, which I think is pretty cool because a lot of times whenever we're interviewing for people, I know a lot of the people like to go into social media pages and kind of get to know the person and stuff, in addition to looking at their resume. So I think creating these little links and stuff were pretty cool. Um, so we can go to just click on that, and it'll take you to that particular blog. Um, so again, I kept everything. If you notice, all the layouts and stuff are super simple, just real nice and neat. And then if you want to go to another blog, there's going to be some other ones here on the bottom. So I think this one was pretty cool, this blog that I did here. That talked about whenever we did the digital media assignment, talked about some of the stuff that I've created for my program here at Rayburn. I did this art brochure for a program, and also some something our students can use as an art portfolio to kind of showcase. So we created that, and then also I've used some references to some of the stuff that I wrote about. So you go down here, you can just click and it'll take you straight to that web page wherever I got those references from. So so then again, you can just go back here, click blog, and it'll take you, back to the home page. I think that's the one we did with the podcast, and I think this one was pretty cool too, to get your resources when I created. So what I like about it is you can upload as many links as you want, and then in here, that's going to take you to the newsletter that I created, and then from here you can see all the stuff that all the different resources you can provide for students or for other teachers or parents. So that's pretty cool also. And again, so we can just close that out and go back to the website. So so this is pretty much it. This is my website. So if you can just leave some feedback and leave some comments on the discussion. All right. Thank you guys for watching.